Is it possible that creativity is just a complex anagram engine that happens on multiple levels? And allow me to do a little bit of a detour here. One of my favorite books is called Foucault's Pendulum, and it was written by Umberto Eco. And Umberto Eco is a genius author. Well, was, because he died. But he was a genius author because he was also a genius in the science of semiotics, which basically talks about how we transform symbols into meaning. What is the connection between, let's say, a few smidges on a paper and words, and something that you actually understand, that you can visualize in your mind. And all of his books have something connected to semiotics, but I think Foucault's Pendulum is one of the greatest books ever written. The reason for that is it happens actually on multiple planes, and it's very difficult to grasp it. I had to read it about 3 times to figure that out. But another thing, one of the core themes in the book is anagrams. The book starts with a group of people playing around with a computer and doing anagrams, but doing anagrams of particular sacred words from sacred traditions, and discussing how the anagrams of sacred words influence the world they live in. And then they actually start doing anagrams of ideas. They start grouping ideas and compiling them and so on. And they end up creating a conspiracy theory, kind of Uber conspiracy theory, that is not actually true. Of course, they just mixed and matched things from various other conspiracy theories, and they get into a very believable conspiracy theory that is adopted by a secret society. And at the same time, they are discussing about the biology of anagrams and how, for example, cancer is about anagrams in genes, in the genome, and so on. So it's a very, very interesting book about anagrams. And basically what I learned from it is that by doing anagrams, by combining ideas in various ways, you can create new meaning. Right? And if you are watching the internet on any specific thing, you know that. Whenever there's a very followed TV series, like how it was with Game of Thrones, there were people throwing out all possible theories about the ending of Game of Thrones. And eventually somebody, through this process of combination, they ended up with one theory that was actually the one that I think was in the final episode. But this is a very interesting thing because, okay, large language models are autocomplete on steroids. They are a statistical engine, so they go and combine things. Okay? What are the chances, and can you actually make them travel less statistically relevant things? Because by statistically relevant, what we mean is that they got the whole internet and they saw that things fit together.